Both nutrition and physical activity are critical if you want to gain lean muscle. To get started, it's essential to challenge your body through physical activity. However, without proper nutritional support, your progress will stall. High protein foods are very important for gaining muscle, but carbohydrates and fats are also necessary sources of energy. If your goal is to gain lean muscle, you should focus on exercising regularly and eating more calories each day from muscle building foods. Here are some of the top foods for gaining lean muscles. But before everything, don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn those notifications on and like this video. And don't forget to watch till last because the last point will blow your mind off. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs contain high quality protein, healthy fats and other important nutrients like B vitamins and choline. Proteins are made up of amino acids and eggs contain large amount of the amino acids leucine, which is particularly important for muscle gain. Also, B vitamins are critically important for a variety of processes in your body, including energy production. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is a great choice for muscle building and overall health. Each 3 ounces serving of salmon contains about 17 grams of protein, almost 2 grams of omega-3 fatty acids and several important B vitamins. Omega-3 fatty acids play an important role in muscular health and may even increase muscle gain during exercise programs. Number 3. Chicken breast. There is a good reason why chicken breasts are considered a staple for gaining muscles. They are packed with protein, with each 3 ounce serving containing about 26 grams of high quality protein. They also contain generous amount of B vitamin, niacin and B6, which may be particularly important if you are active. These vitamins help your body function properly during the physical activity and exercise that's necessary for optimal muscle gain. What's more, some research has shown that higher protein diets containing chicken may aid fat loss. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Dairy not only contains high quality protein but also a mixture of fast digesting whey protein and slow digesting casein protein. Some research has shown that people experiences increase in lean mass when they consume a combination of fast and slow digesting dairy proteins. However, not all dairy is created equal. For example, Greek yogurt often contains approximately double the amount of protein as regular yogurt. While Greek yogurt is a good snack anytime, eating it after a workout or before bed may be beneficial due to its mixture of fast and slow digesting proteins. Number 5. Tuna. In addition to 20 grams of protein per 3 ounce serving, tuna contains high amounts of vitamin A and several B vitamins, including B12, niacin and B6. These nutrients are important for optimal health, energy and exercise performance. Additionally, tuna provides large amount of omega-3 fatty acids which may support muscle health. This may be particularly important for older adults. Research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids can slow the loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with age. Number 6. Lean beef. Beef is packed with high quality protein, B vitamins, minerals and creatine. Some research has even shown that consuming lean red meat can increase the amount of lean mass gained with weight training. However, even when you are trying to gain muscle, it may be best to choose beef that supports muscle gain without providing too many extra calories. For example, 3 ounces of 70% lean ground beef contains 228 calories and a whopping 15 grams of fat. However, the same amount of 95% lean ground beef contains slightly more protein and only 145 calories and 5 grams of fat. Number 7. Shrimp. Shrimp are almost pure protein. Each 3 ounce serving contains 18 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat and 0 carbs. While healthy fats and carbs are important in your overall diet, adding some shrimp is an easy way to get muscle building protein without too many additional calories. Like many other animal proteins, shrimp contains a high amount of the amino acid leucine, which is necessary for optimal muscle growth. Number 8. Soybeans. Half a cup of cooked soybeans contain 14 grams of protein, healthy unsaturated fats and several vitamins and minerals. Soybeans are a particularly good source of vitamin K, iron and phosphorus. Iron is used to store and transport oxygen in your body and muscles, and a deficiency can impair those functions. Young women may be particularly at risk of iron deficiency due to blood loss during menstruation. Number 9. Cottage cheese. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese packs 28 grams of protein, including a hearty dose of the important muscle-building amino acid leucine. Like other dairy products, cottage cheese can be purchased with varying fat contents. High-fat versions like creamed cottage cheese provide more calories. Choosing which type of cottage cheese is best simply depends on how many extra calories you want to add to your diet. Regardless of which type you choose, it's a great muscle-building snack. Number 10. Turkey Beast. A 3-ounce serving of turkey beast contains around 25 grams of protein and almost no fat or carbs. Turkey is also a good source of B vitamin, niacin, which helps to process fats and carbohydrates in your body. Having optimal levels of B vitamin could help you gain muscle over time by supporting your body's ability to exercise. Number 11. Tilapia. Although it doesn't have as much omega-3 fatty acids as salmon, tilapia is another protein-packed seafood item. A 3-ounce serving provides around 21 grams of protein along with good amounts of vitamin B12 and selenium. Vitamin B12 is important for the health of your blood cells and nerves, which allows you to perform the exercise you need in order to gain muscles. Number 12. Beans. Many different varieties of beans can be part of a diet of lean muscle gain. Popular varieties such as black, pinto and kidney beans contain around 15 grams of protein per cup of cooked beans. What's more, they are excellent sources of fiber and B vitamins in addition to being high in magnesium, phosphorus and iron. For these reasons, beans are a good source of plant-based protein to add to your diet. What's more, they may play a role in long-term health and disease prevention. Number 13. Protein powders. While any good diet should focus on whole foods, there are times when dietary supplements can be beneficial. If you struggle to get enough protein from foods alone, you consider adding protein shake to your daily routine. Dairy protein powders such as whey and casein are some of the most popular. However, there are other options too. Protein powder use soy, pea, beef or chicken protein. Number 14. Edamame. Edamame is the term of the immature soybeans. These developing beans are found in pods and served in a variety of dishes, particularly those of Asian origin. 1 cup of frozen edamame provides around 17 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. It also contains large amount of folate, vitamin K and manganese. Among other functions, folate helps your body process amino acids, the building block of protein. In fact, folate may be important for optimal muscle mass and strength, particularly in the elderly. Number 15. Quinoa. While protein-rich foods are a priority for building lean muscle, it's also important to have the fuel to get active. Foods with carbohydrates can help provide this energy. Quick quinoa contains about 40 grams of carbs per cup, along with 8 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, and hearty amounts of manganese and phosphorus. Manganese plays an important role in the function of your muscles and nerves, both of which are used every time you move.